Hey gang, this is Caffeine BS for July 23rd, 2019. It wasn't quite as hot today in the later part of the afternoon, but still hot. Got a slight respite today. Just came back in from the shop. Shot the fourth and last shot portion of my cylindrical grinding on the shear line lathe playlist. I just wanted to get that nice sharp corner where the circumference and that face met, and I did it. I feel so good, and it's just a demonstration, that I can do that with hardened steel. Tomorrow I get out and I start to prep for my DRO install on the shear line mill. A lot of prep. I'll probably take JPEGs and 20-second clips, because you guys don't want to see me tearing down one setup and cleaning my bench. You may want to see setting up for when I use my 6-axis milling column and my mounting base for my XY axis device. Well, we'll come to that when I have to mill the plain vertical horizontal upright column to attach the DRO. Be there.